BLNK Charging, a leading producer of EV chargers, is set to install 20 IQ200 chargers in 4 downtown parking garages in Frederick, Maryland, as part of the city's plan to address charging needs for residents and visitors. The installation strategically places the charging stations near key areas in downtown Frederick for easy accessibility. This collaboration between BLNK Charging and the City of Frederick signifies a significant step in expanding and innovating EV charging infrastructure, offering convenience for electric vehicle drivers in the region. The city's Department of Economic Development, which owns and operates the parking garages, is introducing membership options for residents to secure access to charging spots. Mike Battaglia, Chief Operating Officer of BLNK Charging, stated, "Our mission is to meet electric vehicle drivers, whether residents or visitors, with the convenience of charging on the go. We look forward to electrifying the City of Frederick and revolutionizing the future of transportation in the city." BLNK Charging has contracted, sold, or deployed nearly 73,000 charging ports worldwide, many of which are networked EV charging stations, enabling EV drivers to easily charge at any of BLNK's charging locations. Shares of BLNK Charging trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol BLNK. For more information or to sign up for our free daily newsletter, visit greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.